अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। क्या बात, दो तीन बच्चे हैं क्लास में आज? यस, व्हाट अबाउट द अदर्स? हम्म। अब लगा थोड़ा तेरा क्लास है। मैंने मुझे नींद आ जाती भाई। आप लोग अगर नहीं आते तो रात का होता है ना, नींद जल्दी आ जाती है। जी, कौन कौन प्रिपरेशन के साथ आया? अभी आओ फटाफट। मुझे देखना भी तो कौन कौन आ रहा है। चार बच्चे आए बस। व्हाट अबाउट द अदर्स? क्यों तैयारी नहीं की आपने? कहा था आपको, टॉपिक दिया था। और कैमरा ऑन करके बोलने की कोशिश करिए। और पहले भी आप उन्हीं बच्चों को बुलाइएगा जिनके कैमराज ऑन हैं। ठीक है? वेदर दे आर बॉयज और गर्ल्स। इनवाइट फर्स्ट हसन उज्जमा।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
और इस्लाम जी मेरे अजीज, प्लीज।
How are you, sir?
फंटास्टिक बाबू, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
I'm I'm going to say importance of English. English is an international language. English is English is spoken in the world. And English we can apply for we can apply any job through the English. And English is more important in our life. Who knows properly English, everyone respects him. And English is spoken our society. And English is more respected other. And English is spoken in school and college. And English is spoken every field. And English is helpful for everyone.
ओके, माशाल्लाह। अच्छा है ब्रदर हसन, शाबाश, स्पोक वेल। आतिफ आइए, थोड़ा सा फ्लुएंसी लाइए बाबू। अच्छा बोल रहे हो ब्रदर हसन, थोड़ा सा इसमें तेजी लाइए बाबू, है ना? जो चीज आप बोल रहे हो इसको उसका तरीका क्या है? जैसे आपने ये याद की बाबू, तो अब जाहिर है ये तो आपको प्रीपेड स्पीच है ना, ये तो मतलब आपको लिख के याद करनी है। तो उसको लिख लीजिए और बार बार बोलिए, उसको खुद आ जाएगी इंशाल्लाह जबान में, है ना? इसकी टेंशन मत लेना। शाबाश। आतिफ बाबू।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह।
वालेकुम सलाम।
English is the most important language. English is the global language because we feel need at everywhere English language. Suppose that I went to the bank to get account opened, and I talked to the manager about account opening. Then manager said me, please fill account opening form, and it was in English. Uh,
हम्म।
At that time, I was very shameful because I had a non-English language. Then I decided I will join Zakaria Sir's English speaking class, inshallah. Then I joined. English is a widely spoken language. English it's the language of international business, diplomacy, and many academic fields. Fluency in English allows individuals to connect with the people all over the world.
क्या बात है, बेहतरीन आतिफ। अच्छा बोले बाबू आप, शानदार। और आज आपकी जबान में पहले से ज्यादा सलासत नजर आई, माशाल्लाह। पिछली बार जो आप बहुत अटके थे वो नहीं हुआ आज, माशाल्लाह। तस्नीमन मेहताब, बहुत प्लीज।
Good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग मेरा बेटा।
Today's topic is English, importance of English language. English is one of the most spoken languages in the world. It is an international language used for communication, education, business, and technology. Whoever knows English, they can talk with people, travel easily, and understand the world better. In schools and colleges, many books are written in English. We should learn. Learning English gives us confidence, knowledge, and more opportunities like jobs, success, and etc. We should learn English, practice it, speak it, and improve it. Thank you.
ग्रेट मेरा बेटा, आप प्लीज। मेहताब, नो नो बेटा।
Today, I would like to share my thoughts of to the importance of English language. English is not just a language; it is a global key to communicate the worldwide people. Worldwide people. In our daily life, English we use without even realizing it in apps, sports, and shopping and studying. And in the mostly we can watch mostly read and watch like news, instructions, science is in English. Students must be learn English because many textbooks and online classes available in English language only. We can English. If we know English, we can apply the top university around the world and applying for jobs in India and abroad. Speaking English is a opportunity. English is a opportunity of English is a language of opportunities. Speaking English helps us communicate. Speaking English gives us confidence and improve our personality development and improve our communication skills. And remember, no one is born knowing English. We can learn it. We can learn it with passion, practice, and patience.
Okay.
Don't be afraid making mistakes. Practice daily little bit. Read more and learning. Keep learning.
माशाल्लाह, ग्रेट, बढ़िया मेहताब, अच्छा है माशाल्लाह। अर्शी, उनका माइक वो कैमरा उनका बंद है, उनको बाद में बुलाइएगा। काशिफ,
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
अस्सलाम, प्लीज बाबू।
Today I am going to speak on the topic which was given yesterday, that is importance of English. English is one of the most important languages in the world. Many people speak English in different countries. It is often called a global language. This is because people from different countries use English to talk to each other. English helps us to communicate with people from parts of the world. If you travel to a new country, English can help you ask for help and find your way. It is used in hotels. It is used in airports, hotels, and shops around the world. English is also the main language of the internet. Most websites or online videos are in English. If you know English, you can learn new things online. It helps you to understand more and get new knowledge. Most books are written in English language. A lot of good movies, songs, and games are also in English language. If you know English, you can enjoy these things without translation. It helps you have fun and learn at the same time. English is important in education. In different countries, schools and colleges teach in English language. If you want to study abroad, you need to learn and you need to understand English well. It helps. English language is helpful for jobs. Many companies need people who can speak and write in English. It helps you find better jobs and grow in your career. Even local jobs, English skills are often required.
You're right. Okay, continue.
Learning English is not very hard. You can start with simple words and learn step by step. Watching English videos, reading books, and watching English videos and reading books and speaking with others can help you improve. English is a key to success in many areas of life. It opens the door to many opportunities. It gives you confidence and makes you feel proud. In today's world, knowing English is almost a must. It helps in English. It helps you in school work and daily life.
Hmm.
Everyone should try to speak and practice daily. That is why English is very important.
इनक्रेडिबल, अमेजिंग, स्टार ऑफ द डे मोहम्मद काशिफ, अभी तक का सबसे अच्छा बेहतरीन स्पीकर। इस बच्चे के पास मवाद बहुत जोरदार था, जो कॉन्टेक्स्ट इसने पेश किया है बेहतरीन, माशाल्लाह, बहुत बढ़िया। देयर इज नो जुगाड़। बहुत बढ़िया, ये क्लिप काटिएगा भाई, तो जो अच्छे बोल रहे हैं बच्चे, और उसको अकाउंट से अपलोड कीजिएगा। जी राबिया प्लीज।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम जी।
Today the topic is importance of English language. English is a global language. English is the most commonly spoken in the world. It can be easily understood. It is a language that it is a language. It is a language that connects people worldwide. It is a language that used in business, travel, and education. English language has a special importance in the field of education. We offer all the higher education courses like IIT, MBA, CA, engineering, medical, and computer education in English language. Books are also available in English language. Therefore, it has become even more important to all the students to study English. English is around the world. Many international business conducts meetings in English. Knowing English makes us feel more confident. Knowing English increases you are getting a good. Knowing English getting increases your chance to getting a good job in multinational company. Traveler and tourist use English as a common language. Today, social media is being all over the world. All the things are over social media in English. Now, today's in changing times, if we do not include English in our life, then our life will not be able to progress towards success. So, writing, reading, and learning English is very important for all of us. Thank you.
इनक्रेडिबल बच्ची, स्टार ऑफ द डे, बेहतरीन बच्ची राबिया, क्या बात है, गजब बोली बच्ची। जी ही ना हो बेटे, बहुत बढ़िया बोली बच्ची, माशाल्लाह। ये प्रिपरेशन आपकी तैयारी बता दी कि तैयारी से आए हो आप, जुगाड़बाजी से नहीं आए। सच में। मेरे
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
मेरे टीचर का मुझे सेंटेंस मुझसे कहा करते थे, मुझसे क्लास से कहा करते थे, वो कहते थे बेटा प्रिपरेशन ऑलवेज स्पीक्स, प्रिपरेशन ऑलवेज स्पीक्स, तैयारी हमेशा चीखें मार मार के बताती है कि बंदा तैयार होके आया है। जी नेक बुलाई की, ना बेटे
अस्सलाम
आओ।
वालेकुम।
यस।
Today I am going to speak on a topic, importance of English language. English is one of the most widely language where we are using in the world. It's known as global language. It's because it's spoken and understood many languages. There are many countries where we don't know any languages, but we can communicate with English, and we can get opportunity for a job, and we can directly use in English with anyone in this world. There are many countries which known as English, and including English and many things. English is a key role. English plays a key role. English plays a role. English plays a role.
कोई बात नहीं बेटे, कोई बात नहीं, शाबाश। आप ही ना अपनी ऐसे ही वीडियो बना के मुझे भेजेंगे, ठीक है बेटे? क्लास के खत्म होने के 10 मिनट के अंदर अंदर आ जानी चाहिए, ठीक है? कल मैंने कुछ बच्चों को कहा था, उनमें वो कई बच्चे मेरे जहन में नहीं आ रहे, कुछ हैं, फरा अंजुम है, ये बच्चों ने गजब माशाल्लाह वो भेजे मुझे बना के, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के। मतलब बच्चों, आप जो मुझे भेजते हो बाबू, ऐसा नहीं है, मैं सिंसियरली सबको देखता हूँ, कभी आप सुने कि सर वैसे ही कह देते होंगे, मैं सबको देखता हूँ, बच्चे को हर एक की चीज सुनता हूँ ध्यान से। तो मुझे कल कई बच्चों ने भेजा, मुझे जहन से निकल रहा है इस वक्त, फिलहाल मेरे सामने फरा अंजुम है, तो ये जहन में है मेरे। इन्होंने भी बहुत अच्छे सवालात किए माशाल्लाह उसमें। तो मतलब ये क्लास जैसे है, कभी कभी हो जाता है कि बात हमारी, मैं कुछ समझाने लगता हूँ तो टाइम इधर हो जाता है। मैं कभी कहूँ आपसे तो कभी भी इसको मत करना, आपके टीचर आपको वैसे ही सुनेगा जैसे यहाँ सुन रहा है, ठीक है? इसलिए कभी भी डिसअपॉइंटेड मत होना, मायूस मत होना कि सर ने हमारा नहीं सुना। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हर बच्चे का मैं बहुत ध्यान से सुनता हूँ, बल्कि कोई गलती होती तो बताता हूँ कि बाबू आपने बढ़िया किया, लेकिन ये वाली गलती है, इसे सही कर लेना, ठीक है? चलिए शाबाश। नेक्स्ट किसको बुलाया था? सुमैया परवीन प्लीज।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम सलाम प्लीज।
A wonderful night to all of you. Today, on this special occasion, I would like to speak some words on the topic, the importance of English language. English is the international standard language of communication in our daily lives. It is impossible to communicating and expand our knowledge without an English. Most books and magazines, journals, and newspapers are printed in English. Most colleges, universities provide their courses in English. It is quite difficult to access and use the internet without the English language. More job opportunities are available for a person who can speak English well. The English language also at the international level in the fields of research. English plays a very crucial role. It allows communicating and collaborating when scientists from all over the world. The USA, UK, and Canada are among the top English-speaking countries.
ओके अमेजिंग। स्टार ऑफ द डे मेरी बेटी, माशाल्लाह बहुत बढ़िया बोली बच्ची। अशरफ प्लीज।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। बच्चों मैंने 1-2 मिनट को बस कैमरा बंद किया है, जरा हल्की सी मुझे चाय लेनी थी, तो मैंने सोचा चाय भी ले लूं और आपका क्लास भी ले लूं, है ना? सही किया। चलो शाबाश।
English is a global language. Many people speak English around the world. We learn English in schools and colleges. English helps us talk to new people. It is used for studying awards. We awards. Most websites are in English. English helps us watch movies and cartoons. It gives us better jobs chances. It gives us better job chances. It helps us to airports and hotels. It helps in traveling to other countries. English makes us more confident. It is used in exams and interviews. English is an important language in our life.
शाबाश, अच्छा बच्चा, अच्छा पढ़ा है बेटे मेरा बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बच्चा। आप अच्छे बनोगे, मेहनत करो ऐसी हैं बेटे। शाबाश। सादिया बेटी आओ।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
सलाम जी मेरा बेटा, बस मैं 1 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ, तुम सुनाओ। शाबाश।
How are you, sir?
फैंटास्टिक प्लीज।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to speak on the topic importance of English language. English language is the most important in our life. English language is one of the most widely spoken language in the world. And English language useful tool to spread in the message of Islam. Through English, we can talk to people about Islam. He knows many non-Muslim understand only English, so we can easily speak them about the beauty of Islam and life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and teaching of the Quran. And many Islamic scholar write in the English. So if we know English, so we can easily read books. And many Islamic scholar give a lecture online. So we can understand their knowledge. And English opens the door. Better job and opportunities. And Islam and
Okay,
Islam
बेटी. Okay, continue, please.
and Islam gives us permission halal income, and English helps us in that, and English improve our mind confidence and knowledge and skills, and through English we can knowledge anything in the world.
Okay, माशाल्लाह. जोरदार बच्ची. आज तो कमाल कर दिए हो. क्या बात है, शादी है बेटी. अरफात बेटे आओ.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, please.
Learning English is very important today. It is spoken in many countries around the world. English help us to talk with people who comes another culture is useful to travel, work and study. This is for many international compass is work many
ओके, कोई नहीं बेटे, आप भी अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग करके मुझे भेजेंगी. जैसे उस दिन भेजी थी ना आपने, अच्छी थी बेटे वो. वैसे ही अपनी वीडियो बना के विद इन 10 मिनट्स क्लास खत्म होने के आफ्टर यू विल हैव टू सेंड. सुहैल, हाँ रुखसाना को बुलाइए. जी जकरिया, क्या लिख दिया?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. जी भाई, कैमरा क्यों बंद कर लिया आपने?
सर कैमरा बंद हो गया है मेरा।
बंद हो गया भाई साहब.
एक सेकंड है।
समझदार है आपका कैमरा, है ना? हाँ ठीक.
आ गया सर?
यस प्लीज.
Okay. Today my topic is importance of English language. English is very important language because in most of the countries on the world it's spoken and understood. People from different parts of the world having different languages as their
Continue. Shabash, shabash.
Having different languages as their mother tongue with knowledge of English. Without the English language, we can't do anything on the internet. We can share opinions. Sir, I forgot.
नो प्रॉब्लम. आप वीडियो भेजेंगे बना के बाबू मुझे, जैसे बैठी हैं वैसे ही आपकी वीडियो मुझे चाहिए. ठीक है बाबू, अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन करके वो मुझे आप सेंड करिएगा. चलिए, मुनासिब समझूंगा, आपकी इजाजत होगी तो अपलोड करूंगा अकाउंट से अपने. चलिए, इनवाइट सुहेल मेरा भाई प्लीज.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
Hello everyone, my name is Sohail Alam. I am from Bihar. Now I am going to tell all of you about the importance of English. First of all, I would like to say that what is English?
सुहेल माइक खोलिए बाबू.
Assalamu alaikum sir.
वालेकुम सलाम. प्लीज फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग.
Hello everyone, my name is Sohail Alam. I am from Bihar. Now I am going to tell all of you about the importance of English. What is English? English is a language, but English is not only language. English is a global language and it is spoken in many different countries. English is most useful language in the world. Millions of people speak it in many different countries. English plays is a big role in education. Many schools and colleges teach in English and write and written books in English. When we learn English, many doors opens for us to success. Thank you, sir.
Great, amazing, spoke well. बेहतरीन बोले हैं आप माशाल्लाह, गजब. बुशरा शहजाद, ये अली नाम का कौन बच्चा है अभी?
Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. प्लीज.
Now I am going to discuss about importance of English language. It is very important to learn English language. English language is a world language.
By learning English, we can communicate with everyone in the world. It breaks all the barriers to connect with the people worldwide. English language fills our personality with confidence. English language itself is a powerful language. Most of the traders are handled through English language. English language enables to read all the books of international return. We must recognize the importance the such uh, a powerful language.
Great, अमेजिंग मेरी बेटी, बहुत अच्छा बोली हैं आप, गजब, शानदार, माशाल्लाह बुशरा। नेक्स्ट जास्मीन गुड़िया हो, जास्मीना।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
अस्सलाम जी।
Now I'm going to tell about the importance of English languages. English language is very important in the world. It is spoken in many countries. People use English language to speak, write, and read. And it also helps us to know new things from books, the internet, and other people. English language is also help in school. If we know English language, we can understand science, computers, and any other topic better. And it also helps us to get a better job, especially in international companies. Many companies need people who can speak and write English well. It also helps us to speak to people from other countries. When we travel, English language helps us to ask the question and to understand science. And if we know English language, we can watch English movies and listen to English songs also. And the English language is also very useful. It helps us in life and in school. And everyone should try to learn English and to practice English every day. Because if you want a good job, English is essential. And the English language fills our personality with confidence. And today, many schools and colleges have also required to speak in English only. And the English language, itself a very beautiful language. Even if English language is not the first language, still people all try to know how to speak it. And learning English makes it easy how to speak it and how to how to ask for help and put order and to set with other people when we visit a new country. And the English language is very smart skill that we can everybody help.
ओके शाबाश, अच्छा है बाबू। आपकी आवाज है ना बहुत क्लियर नहीं थी, मतलब जो वर्ड्स है ना एकदम समझ में नहीं आया, थोड़ा सा इको टाइप रहा बाबू। कोई बात नहीं, माशाल्लाह स्पोक वेल, अमेजिंग बोलेंगे आप। जैनब शेख प्लीज, बढ़िया माशाल्लाह। जैनब।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
लव, यस बेटी प्लीज।
Today I'm gonna tell you about the importance of English language. English is most
वेयर आर
important.
यू? वेयर इज योर कैमरा?
Sir, I have camera issue. It is not working.
Okay, please.
English is most important language in our world. If we are able to talk in English, we can do many things. We can become doctor, engineer, pilot, etc. If we are able to talk in English, so we can go to many countries. And if we are not able to talk their languages, so we can use in English. If we went to Saudi Arabia, so we can talk in English because we don't able to talk Arabic language. And we can read instruction which is written in English, and we can watch English movies and English videos, and we can talk in front of many people in English. If you are able to talk in English, so everyone give you respect, and our knowledge will increase. And if you're not able to talk, so our knowledge will also not increase, and no one gives you respect. And in exams, English is most useful for in exams and in exams. And if we are able to talk, so we can communicate with many peoples, and everyone give us respect.
ओके
Thank you,
बेटा,
sir. This
अच्छा ग्रेट, स्पोक वेल बेटा, अच्छा बोले हैं आप माशाल्लाह। फरा अंजुम,
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
सलाम, प्लीज बाबू।
Today, today my topic in English language. English is one of the most spoken language in the world. It is used for communication between people from different countries. Knowing English is help us to talk, study, and work everywhere in the world. It is used. It is the internet language, science, technology, and modern education. Many good jobs require in English. If we learn English, you can grow in our life. English is open. It is open doors in our life. Thank you, sir.
शाबाश, ग्रेट माशाल्लाह। फरा अंजुम, बहुत अच्छे बोले हैं बाबू आप। शुजात प्लीज। शाबाश। वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Today topic is importance of English language. Number one, English is a global language spoken and understood in many countries, used to talk with people from different nations. Number two, English helps in education. Many school and college books are in English, used in international universities and exam, makes learning from the internet easier. Number three, English is important for jobs. Many good jobs need English speaking skills. Helps in interviews and promotions. Increases chances of working in other countries. Number four, English is the language of technology and science. New innovations, research, and information are mostly in English. Helps in understanding computers, mobile apps, and modern tools. Number five, English connects the world. It joins people from different cultures, helps travel and communication easier. Conclusion, English is very important language today. English is a key to success in the modern world. It helps us in school, work, and life. So we should learn English language. Thank you.
इनक्रेडिबल, बेहतरीन बोले हैं शुजात। फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ही स्पोक इन इंग्लिश, पहली बार बोले हैं जिंदगी में, और इतना अच्छा बोले हैं माशाल्लाह। सच में बहुत अच्छा बोले हो आप बाबू। अरे ऐसे ही बोलता है बंदा, तैयारी के साथ आता है, कैमरा ऑन करके बोलता है फिर, है ना, वो जुगाड़बाजी से नहीं, कैमरा खराब है, ये खराब है। चलिए जी, रुकैया भाई साहब को बुलाइए हमारे। रुकैया प्लीज।
To speak a few lines about English language and why it matters. English is not just a subject, it's a skill. When we learn English, we open the door to the world. It helps us understand technology, science, books, and even cartoons and songs. In school, English helps us in every subject. If we are good in English, we can read better, write better, and express our ideas clearly. Also, English gives us confidence. If we make mistakes, it's okay. We learn by trying. Speaking English daily, even a little, improves our communication. In future, English will help us in job, traveling, and talking to the people from other countries. And that's why speaking English is a smart step for our future. Thank you.
माशाल्लाह, ग्रेट, अमेजिंग। रुकैया गजब बोली बाबू आप। सुफिया अंजुम को बुलाइए। सुफिया,
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
प्लीज बाबू।
Firstly, I would say thanks to you. You gave me a chance to speak today's most demanding and important topic, importance of English language. As we all of knows, English is an international language. It is spoken by the billions of people and understood of all over the world. So English is on these days, English is very important to us. We should know how to learn and speak English because it connects us around the world. It connects us around the world, and as well as it makes our travel easier. Sometimes we go to the outside of the country. It's helped us to ask question and understand science because in the foreign countries all science in English form. As well as knowing English can get a good job. Knowing English is very important in all of schools. English, speaking, learning English and communication skills can boost our confidence. And if we know English, so we can read our children as well. So it's play an important role in our daily life. That's it, sir.
Amazing, great, you spoke well. बहुत अच्छा बोली सुफिया, शाबाश बाबू। वो इन्होंने पॉइंट बहुत अच्छे लिए, अल्फाज का जो इस्तेमाल है वो बहुत अच्छा किया इन्होंने, शाबाश। बच्ची ने तैयारी करी है भाई, जोरदार सी, क्या बात है जी। अब ये हमारे पास एक ही बच्चे को बुलाने का वक्त है। इनमें से कोई कैमरा ऑन कर सकता है आप में से? रजिया, दरख्शान, नौमान बिन अशरफ, सहीफा एंड फरमान, कोई कर सकता है? चलिए, किसी ने किया, नौमान को बुलाइए। अब बाकी लोग जो हैं रिकॉर्डिंग करके भेजिए भाई साहब, मुझे पर्सनल पे वीडियो बना के भेजिएगा, लेकिन अपनी अगर सामने से नहीं भेजते तो यहाँ से बना के भेजना, पीछे से, पीछे रख लेना कैमरा, ठीक है? ये वाला चाहिए, ये दिखा देना, वरना इससे पीछे से जी। चलिए प्लीज।
अस्सलाम
वालेकुम प्लीज। बोलिए। बाबू आप बार बार चुप रहे हैं, बोलते बोलते क्यों? अच्छा, खुद को ही खुद को लग रहा है आपको मेरी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है ना? चलो तो ठीक है। हाँ, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है बाबू आपकी, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। आप अपनी रिकॉर्ड करके मुझे भेजिए, ठीक है? अब बच्चों 1 मिनट की बात सुन लो। ये जो लोग हैं ना, कई दरख्शां हैं, रजिया हैं, नौमान आप भी, सहीफा आप भी, फरमान आप भी, वीडियो भेजिएगा विदिन 10 मिनट्स जो तैयारी की है आपने। अगर किसी को वीडियो में दिक्कत हो तो ऑडियो भेज देना, कोई मसला नहीं, ठीक है? वीडियो भेजोगे तो आपका फायदा है इसमें, ठीक है? आपका नंबर देखिए, प्रायोरिटी दी गई है उन बच्चों को जिनका कैमराज होने में, पहले से कहता हूँ, और आगे भी उन्हीं को दूंगा प्रायोरिटी, ठीक है? आप कैमरा ऑन करके आइए, आपको पहले बुलाया जाता, ठीक है? आना चाहिए था, बात आपकी सही है, लेकिन कैमरा ऑन नहीं था, इसलिए आपको आना भी नहीं चाहिए था, ठीक है? इसलिए कि कहा गया था आपसे। लेकिन बहरहाल जो बच्चे रह गए हैं वो ये काम करिए जो इसको बताया जा रहा। दूसरी बात, मैं बहुत उनको मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ उन बच्चों को जो आज सच में बहुत अच्छी तैयारी के साथ आए। मेरा दिल बहुत खुश हुआ उन लोगों को देखकर। कई लोग पहली मर्तबा आए, माशाल्लाह, इतने अच्छा बोले हैं वो, बियॉन्ड माई एक्सपेक्टेशन। मैं सोचा था आप जुगाड़बाजी से आओगे, लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अक्सर बच्चे जो बोले हैं वो बहुत अच्छा बोले हैं। वो मतलब उनके अंदाज तकल्लुम बहुत खूबसूरत था, इम्प्रेसिव था। मैं स्पेशली इस रिकॉर्ड, ये आवाज वाला जो आपका सेशन है बेटा, इसको लिखिए आप, ठीक है? इसमें सभी बच्चों की रिकॉर्डिंग्स निकलवा के अपने अकाउंट से अपलोड कराऊंगा इंशाल्लाह, ठीक है? बहुत अच्छे बोले, तबीयत बहुत खुश हुई मेरी। इसका मतलब है कि तुम सच में चाहते हो कि अच्छे बनो। चलो, जब बंदा खुद चाहता है अच्छा बना तो अच्छा बन जाता है, अल्लाह पाक भी बना देता है। चलिए मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।